Manipur High Court की तरह उम्र सुबह फाउंडेशन देगा मरी लेना Manipur Judicial Academy Amadi High Court का KHUTSAMNADUNA lecture series on criminal laws HAIBA THOURAM ama High Court की auditorium hall da PANGTHOKKHRE THOURAM aduda Justice N Koteshwar Singh Judge Supreme Court of India, Justice M Sundar Chief Justice High Court of Manipur, Justice A Bimol Singh, Justice A Guneshwar Sharma Judge High Court of Manipur, Justice Golmai Garfunsilu Director Manipur Judicial Academy, Lenin Singh Hizam Advocate General Manipur S. Brajavihari Singh Chairman Bar Council of Manipur and Kumarjit Singh President High Court Bar Association of Manipur CH Bimol Chandra Singh President All Manipur Bar Association Athoiba Mithumlen Singh Oina Sarukyaki Loidana Session na humthona khaidokuna tongan mahiramda resource person Singna Wangangki.
In India, law is not merely kind of the last option. In our times, law was not really a favored subject. People used to go for engineering, people used to go for medicine and other UPSC, all kind of services that are available. Only just kind of the last option, or for those who are really interested to become a lawyer. But today, what we see there is a huge surge of interest among some of the best students, brilliant students. They are trying to crack common law entrance, crack. I think you must have applied also through that. Now you can get into some of the best universities in the country. There is so much of competition to enter this, to get the education itself.